So guys, today I'm showing off the King 33 Crusader floor plan. And I want to say this for me is actually my personal favorite floor plan in the lineup because it's so incredibly versatile, but it still feels big and open and sectioned out on the inside. I'm sitting here on this L-shaped couch. It's a sectional, recliners and a sleeper bed in this sectional. So it is multifunction, multi-purpose. You've got a beautiful end table over there with a huge platform and extra storage and charging on it, as well as a 48-inch fireplace with variable color LEDs, a sound bar that connects to a subwoofer, and all that feeds into this big 65-inch 4K smart LED TV that I've got in front of me here. We included overhead storage as well so that you've got all of the drops squeezed out of this entertainment center. On the camp side of this coach, we have a ton of windows so that you've got beautiful viewing. Not to be outshined by our space saver convertible dinette that we have here. Sometimes I'll call it the hardtop convertible because this is a 90-inch piece of hardwood sitting on top here. But it's convertible because it actually has a dinette that stores away underneath and can rotate out. It's a very clean mechanism, and you can reposition it and include your chairs so that you've got a more personal dining experience. But then on top of that, the last thing I want to show you over here is going to be the pull-out pantry that we've got. This is going to afford you some extra storage that is actually secured away instead of open shelving as you often see in these floor plans. Now, I almost don't know where to begin when I'm in the kitchen portion of this coach because everything going on here is so extravagant and stand out in that 35-foot and under space. Where I want to begin is all of the storage that you get. So you've got beautiful overhead cabinetry that actually wraps around with a floor-to-ceiling pantry over here to my left. But then I want to mention that we've got solid surface heat-rated countertops with premium full-size appliances in our blackout appliance package. That's a 30-inch Furrion microwave overhead, a freestanding 4-burner cast iron range, as well as a French door 12-volt fridge on the other side there. And last but not least, you have a multi-function sink in the back portion looking out this huge 4-foot by 3-foot window. Now the bathroom is also going to have some key separators that I want to make sure I highlight up here. First off, we have a stainless steel undermount sink that's going to give you a nice flush edge that's easier to clean, but being stainless steel, it's also going to be more durable for the long term. Above that, you've got a huge mirror with a backlight on it that's really going to open up this space and make it feel open in here. You've got a porcelain foot flush toilet and a full floor-to-ceiling linen closet next to the shower here. And then I'll give you the shower height test with your skylight overhead. Up here in the bedroom, you're going to get the most that you're going to find in that 35-foot and under fifth wheel space. I'll start by pointing out that this is a full 72 by 80 king bed here. That is actually where the namesake of this floor plan originally came from. But then on each side, you're going to have cubbies. Over here is a bookcase that essentially has extra shoe storage underneath it as well, so you can kick your shoes out of the way there. Across from that, you've got your dresser with a full bank of drawers down each side, your washer-dryer prep running along the front for a stackable washer-dryer prep, and then, of course, your closet here for all of your hanging storage and even more shoe storage. Now, I'm on the exterior of the coach right now, and there's a couple key things I want to make sure I point out to you folks. First off, Crusader, new for this year, is a 102-inch wide body. Now that, along with being a full profile coach, is going to maximize your interior space in this. It's why it felt so roomy in that living room and kitchen in the first place. On top of that, we run a high gloss finish on the outside for easier cleaning and durability. Following with that trend, we've got a rubberized, rugged pass-through liner as well with thick slam latch baggage doors, rugged entry steps with a MORryde extending grab handle, and then a 5-sided lamination process that includes laminated slide boxes for better insulation.